If you're an investor submitting offers on the MLS, this video is for you. Today we're breaking down yet another new filter that just came out within BatchLeads to help you find opportunities listed that are in serious need of a cash offer. Check this out. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on BatchTV. My name's Landry and I'm the community manager with Batch, and I'm so excited to break down BatchLeads' new keyword search filter. Let's jump right into it and take a look in my account so I can show you how easy it is to use. So here we are in property search. This tool allows you to pull lists of potential opportunities, whether they be on or off market or even cash buyers. And you can use the search bar across the top of the screen or even the pencil icon in the bottom left to draw a specific boundary. But I'm going to go to the search bar and visit the city of Tampa, Florida, type that out, grab it from the drop down, and then the system will generate a grand total off to the right. The very best thing you can do next is to choose your strategy, and for today's video, we're choosing on market. You can use things like your map quick filters to break down tons of different valuable lists coordinating with your strategy, but we're going to skip that for today and go into the all filters button. You can absolutely specify in these hundreds of filters the types of homes you're looking for, when they were built, how long they've been owned, the equity percentage, and so much more. But it's going to be super easy to do what we're talking about today, which is going into the MLS tab and going to the MLS description box. And all you have to do to find these incredibly motivated sellers looking for a cash offer on their property that's fit best for investors is by going and typing in a few of those words. I'm going to do things like investor special. Let's type that out. So you can do words by themselves or phrases put together, and you can just separate that by a comma. So let's do investor special, maybe motivated seller, fixer upper, and maybe cash only or cash offer only. After typing those out, you're going to go ahead and see your results in the bottom right hand corner. Don't forget about the other things to create even more motivation, like days on market and so on. But seeing those results, you're just going to be able to look at those list of properties, click on the addresses to view the details, and go to the MLS tab. Of course, there's tons of other amazing information that you'll want to utilize here, but in the MLS tab, with just typing a few words in, we can see that this is an investor special motivated seller, location, location, location. And what's really cool about this is that because you have all of this information, not only do you have the description, but you can immediately get a hold of the listing agent if you're reaching out to them specifically, having access to their primary phone number, and even being able to add that to your database in the agent outreach section within BatchLeads that everybody has included in their account. So if you reach out about this property, for example, and it doesn't end up working out, you can still build the relationship with those agents that may work with investors regularly, finding opportunities that they need cash offers for. So take a look at the other information as well, like the comping tool, the owner profile, to see if the owner owns any additional properties they may need to offload. And you can start looking at those property details in the photos here too. Like I said, super easy. I'm so excited to hear what you guys think about this new function within BatchLeads. Be sure to drop a comment down below with any questions, success stories, or even any recommendations on different topics you'd like to see broken down here on BatchTV. Find the link in the description to join the community, to network with amazing people nationwide, or to send me a message if you need clarification. And if you like today's video, then hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.